Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by connecting your store to Google. Create a Google Merchant Center account and verify your domain so Google trusts your site. Once done, install the Shopify Google Channel app and link it to Merchant Center. This creates an automated product feed. At the same time, complete tax and shipping settings in Merchant Center so products aren't blocked. Make sure your store currency and business information match. Inconsistencies cause immediate disapprovals, so fix them now before pushing products. Next, you clean and map the product data Shopify sends to Google. This is where most errors happen. Ensure each item has a GTIN or valid identifier, a precise brand, and a clear title that includes key attributes. Also add accurate price, availability, shipping weight, and high-resolution images. Then use the Google Channel Feed rules or Shopify metafields to map SKU, condition, and custom labels correctly. If you see feed warnings, address the highest impact attributes first to reduce disapprovals quickly. Finally, submit the feed and enable surfaces across Google so your items can appear in shopping and free listings. After submission, monitor the Merchant Center Diagnostics tab daily. Look for item-level disapprovals, policy violations, or price mismatches. Make incremental fixes and reprocess the feed. Changes usually take hours to reflect. If issues persist, the key troubleshooting tip is to check identifier and policy errors first. Most blocks come from missing GTIN.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.